Welcome back to the channel, everyone. P Street Garage. And you can tell here that it was Christmas. Boxes everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Got some VW parts. Got some suspension components for the F-150. Got a bunch of sheet metal for the F-150. Fender for the F-150. More metal for the bus, CIP1. And I need to get back to welding on my bus. I need to get my metal work done. But just before I do that, and the reason for this video is I found the cheapest welding cart on Amazon. It was literally $90 delivered. Here it is. A Durhand. Don't really know what to expect. These things varied in price from the bottom of the barrel to $300. So let's assemble this. After 4 years of dragging this poor old thing around, and I did knock my bottle over once, broke the spigot off that line. So enough of that. I broke down and spent $90. Let's put this together, see what it looks like. Okay, well, this is fully assembled, fairly straightforward. However, the instructions don't fully match up, and they even clearly say that the images aren't exactly what you're getting. So, just kind of throw it together. I guess it's meant to look like this. This one points down, this one points up. It's not bad. Now, fit and finish wise, where am I? I don't even know if that bolt will go in here. The holes really don't line up that great in some spots. Like not a chance here, but I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It certainly will do the job. Let's, I'm gonna install these chains here. I'm gonna throw my welder on. Hopefully it fits. And if I can consolidate all this here with my welding helmet and my stuff, it'll just help to keep the space a bit more tidy. So let's try it. All right, guys, well, there we have it. I think it's absolutely perfect. Got everything together in one spot. And most important, my bottle is secured. This can easily be wheeled around. I think it's a win. So there we have it. Cheapest welding cart on Amazon, $90. And that's Canadian dollars, so even less for my friends down south. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. We'll get back to welding on this old thing.